Okay guys, welcome to the fifth video of our channel. In this video we are going to explain you the financial system of the CASIO FX, the calculator that we use for IB. And this financial menu, it's very handy for your exams because there are some times where the problems that usually appear in IB exams are related with this menu, so it's very useful for you. We're going to start this video by explaining what are these different menus of the financial menu. We have simple interest, compound interest, cash flow, amortization, conversion, and then F6, it's next page because we have more menus, which is cost, sell, margin, days calculation, depreciation, and bond calculation. These menus in the second page, they are not as useful as the other menus, as these ones, but we are going to explain them also in this video.
Okay, now I'm going to explain the setup menu of the financial menu. So we can press Shift and then open the setup menu, as you can see up here. And well, here we can change the payment. Well, you can put it at the beginning or at the end with F1 and F2. We can also change the date mode, like to put 360 days in a year. For example, we can change it as you see. And we can put, we can change the periods to annual and semi-annual. And well, we can change the graph color, like to any one of this. Or the background, and that's basically it.
Okay, now I'm going to explain you the main functions of this menu, which is very similar because every F1, F2, F3 functions very similar to each other. I'm going to show you that with an example which is cost, sum, and margin. We press F1 and we enter this little menu, which is it's like an equation solver, but it's not like that. Let me explain. If we have a cost of 800 and then we want to calculate the sell and the margin is like margin 30, then we only have to press F2 and this is the values that we have up here. We press F2 and then we have here the value that we are missing. It's pretty much like every other menu, and let me show you with amortization, F4. This is a very useful menu because in your exams, in your IB exams, it would be very common. Then we have here payment 1, payment 2, the percentage of I, and pretty much every value that we want to have. So here we just put here the values we have that they give us in the problem, and then with using F1, F2, F3 as usual, we press and we know the unknowns and the values that we're missing.
Okay, now I'm going to explain you an additional thing, which can be explained like this. You come into the conversion menu, and we put in the N to compound 6 times, and in the interest rate we can put 2, for example. And once we press here, we can see the annual, which is less than 2, and we can see the effective, which is obviously 2. So all of these menus pretty much work in the same way. You only have to put the values that you're giving in the exams or in exercises, and just fill in all these different menus so that they can give you the answer you are looking for. So that's how the financial menu pretty much works.
Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. I hope you liked it and that's been useful for your exams. and that's pretty much it. This is the financial menu of the calculator, which is pretty much templates that you're going to fill in and search for what you're looking for. And that's it. We see you in the next video, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.